So required materials are color paper, scissor, glue, pencil and a ruler. So here you can take the screenshot of this measurement for better use. 5 centimeters wide, then 0.5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters and then 0.5 centimeters, and total should be 16 centimeter long. Now moving towards other 5 centimeter wide, then 1.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter and again 1.5 centimeter. Total should be 18 centimeters long. Now draw diagonal lines on alternative boxes. Then cut it out and draw the circle on 18 cm long strip and cut it out with the help of scissor, but make sure when you are underage, please ask your parents or guardian to help you. Now fold all the marking lines. Now repeat the same process with the other strip. But when you are folding the diagonal lines, please make sure that one line should be folded inwards and other should be folded outwards. Now apply glue on the edges and stick as I shown in the video. Then rotate it as I am showing in the video. Now draw camera on the paper and use brush pens or sketch pens to enhance its look. Apply gum here and stick it. And your paper camera is ready.